Hello, everyone. Let's continue. Number one, the principle of restoration through indemnity. So, 1.1 restoration through indemnity, and one position of fallen people. So, if the first human ancestor had reached perfection, they would have lived relating only with God. However, due to their fall, after the fall, they joined in a kingship of blood with Satan. Hence, immediately after the fall, they found themselves in the midway position, a position between God and Satan, where they were relating with both. So, separating Satan from fallen people, how does God separate Satan from fallen people? A fallen person will go to God's side if he makes good conditions, and to Satan's side if he makes evil conditions. So, about the restoration through indemnity, original state, what then is the meaning restoration through indemnity? When someone has lost the original position or state, he must make some condition to be restored to it. So, the making conditions of restoration is called indemnity. So, we call this the processing of restitution of the original position and state through making condition restoration through indemnity. And we call the condition made a condition of indemnity. And the last, God's work to restore people to their true and fallen state by having them fulfill indemnity condition is called the providence of restoration through indemnity. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.